Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos. Ang pinagmumulan ng awan ng ating buhay ang salitawa. Today, my dear brothers and sisters, we are celebrating the memorial of Saint Ignatius of Loyola. He is a priest. He is the founder of the Society of Jesus or the Jesuits. Minabati ko po ng isang maligayang pagdiriwang ng kapistahan ng kanilang founder ang lahat ng ating mga kapatid na Jesuita. Ang ating mga pagbasa ngayon ay tungkol po sa rejection. In the first reading, Jeremiah was sent by God to stand in the court of the temple and warn the people, God's people, about their disobedience to God and their evil ways. Well, this was a difficult task, mission for Jeremiah. He knew from the very start that he would be rejected by the people. And then he chose to obey the Lord. And how did the people respond to the message of God? The people of God rejected the message of God. They rejected Jeremiah. And so they plotted to kill him. In the gospel, we hear about Jesus coming home to his hometown in Nazareth. At first, they were amazed at what they heard that Jesus was doing to other places, the miracles he performed in different places. But then their amazement suddenly turns into condemnation or too much familiarization. Ano po nangyari? Sabi nila, is he not the carpenter's son? Is not, and the name of his mother is Mary, and his brothers are James, Joseph, Simon, and Judas. Then so, they started rejecting the Lord. Ano po ang naging problema? Una po is yung too much familiarization, or they know about Jesus but they do not know Him well. Magkaiba po yung mayroon tayong alam sa kakilala natin. May relationship tayo. In other words, wala silang relasyon sa Diyos, and so they simply rejected the Lord kasi wala naman. Ito yung problema, mga kapatid. Madali nating ipagtabuyan, itapon kapag hindi tayo konektado. Kaya napakahalaga na ang mga mahalagang bagay ay dapat we are connected. Kapag yung pearl of great price, yung mahalaga, ay dapat tayo ay hands-on or konektado sa pinapahalaga, sa mga mahalagang bagay. Kaya kapag hindi natin pinahalagahan, wala tayong relationship sa isang mahalagang bagay, madali natin itong itapon, ipagtabuyan. At ang rason kung bakit nireject nila ang Panginoon ay dahil kulang ang kanilang pananampalataya. Dahil wala silang relationship sa Panginoon, wala din silang pananampalataya. Nakita lang nila si Jesus na isang magiting na propeta, kababayan nila, pero hindi nila nakita na si Jesus ay Panginoon. Kaya po sa ating ebanghelyo ngayon, hindi nakapag-perform ng maraming milagro ang Panginoon dahil kulang ang pananampalataya. We know in so many accounts, especially in all the miracles of Jesus, na kailangan ang pananampalataya upang sa ganon maganap ang milagro. Kaya mga kapatid, ang pananampalataya ay relationship sa Panginoon. It is not just knowing about Jesus, but it's really knowing Him, relating with Him. Yan ang pananampalataya na alam natin, kilala natin, may relasyon tayo sa Diyos. No, sa araw na ito, ipagdasal natin na mapalalim ang ating pananampalataya, hindi lamang sa pakikinig, kundi sana aralin natin ng ating pananampalataya upang sa ganun mas lumalim ang ating ugnayan sa Diyos. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, share at mag-subscribe sa Salitawa Facebook page and YouTube channel. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.